Some exciting news. Wood-Mizer is introducing its latest sawmill design called the LX450. The LX450 for the first time adds a second side-by-side beam to the sawmill bed. That's right. For years, many of you have asked Wood-Mizer to build a better twin-rail mill design than anything available on the market today, and let the customer decide which sawmill design best suits their sawing needs. No more waiting. It's finally here. A new choice, the LX450 from Wood-Mizer.